You got him.
That sucked balls.
You spun really bad.
Yeah.
You know what we forgot to do?
What?
We forgot to check the air pressure in the tires.
Really?
Yeah.
It spun at the beginning. I felt.
Yeah.
That was fun. Dude.
Huh?
That was fun.
Once it got going though.
Oh my god, I felt it like kick in. Yeah, that was fun. That was real fun.
She was like shaking, like trying to take a video.
I tried not saying the first video. I kept saying stuff. The second video, I think I stopped saying stuff. But
oh man, that was super fun.
oh, the guys up there, they were being so nice to me. I was like, that's my word. I gotta go take a video.
All right, so let's we'll check the tires. I think we need to lower the air pressure because it spun horribly.
Yeah.
So
If I didn't.
all right guys, so we're at a test and tune on a Wednesday, and your eyes aren't deceiving you. I'm not driving. So my son, he's never been on the channel. He's down from Connecticut. He's on leave from the Navy, so he wanted to try driving the car, and we're giving him a shot. Nice car. Street. right, so he did pretty good on that one. Went 1350, and I think that's gonna do it for today because there's so many cars braking out here that it's taken us like 4 hours to do 3 passes. So anyway, I'll wrap this up a little later. All right, guys, so we're back in the shop, and that was pretty cool, letting my son drive the car, and that was actually his first time ever driving a car on the track, and he did pretty good. You know, as far as like the staging and all that, I didn't really do much narrating because I was trying to help him, teach him how to stage the car and all that, and all like the rules of how it works. It was his first time, so yeah, I had to kind of focus on that. But yeah, he did pretty good. He went 1470 his first pass, spun really bad, and then the second one went a 1370, and then the third pass it went a 1350. So yeah, got it better every time. It was just kind of rough. Once again, I mean, that was Orlando Speed World, and once again, it was the attack of the 4 cylinders, the Honda Civics. They were breaking down left and right. I mean, one actually exploded on the track right before our lane was getting ready to go. So that wasn't like another hour cleanup. So we only got 3 passes, which I don't know. It seems like every time I go to Orlando, that happens to me, but not so much at Bradenton. There's not as many Civic guys that go to Bradenton. Nothing wrong with the Civic guys. I appreciate what they do and all that, but man, they do break down a lot. But anyway, I just kind of I'm getting ready to make another video right now, and I can give you guys like a little preview of what it is. We got the cylinder head back from Head Game, so I'm gonna go over that. And I also got, I've been working a little bit on the intake, and I'm gonna go over that, okay? So we got pretty much everything we need to go full bore to get this thing together and running, okay? Pretty much everything we need. And I can even use, like, I haven't picked up a turbo yet, but I can actually still use this because, you know, I'm gonna be using a T4 flange. So, you know, I can use this temporarily until we get another turbo. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to recap the track night. So the car did flawless, no issues whatsoever. We did switch out the wheels, put the drag pack back on it, I guess you'd say. And yeah, it doesn't, like, when I was videotaping it, I could tell that the car is not leaving right. It was squatting, so I have to put springs on this thing in order for it not to rub. So, and then what that does is it doesn't make the suspension work right. And that's probably why it was spinning. But yeah, I mean, other than that, the car ran flawless. He didn't miss a gear, shifted flawless. So anyway, just wanted to kind of recap that. And yeah, let me start on this next video, and that I should be putting that video out in about 2-3 days. So anyway, check y'all later.